high quality parts are built to function more efficiently according to manufacturing specification. This is the result of improving engine performance.
Low quality parts are not only more likely to break, but the risk of not properly fitting into the vehicle correctly and doing the job it's meant to do is a high possibility.
The greatest advantage is your own peace of mind. There is no better feeling than getting into your vehicle and knowing that both you and your family can have a worry-free, safe trip.
When it's time to sell your vehicle or trade it in, high quality parts during maintenance will definitely reflect when they assess your vehicle's worth.
High-quality parts are obviously made out of a much more superior material, which makes them much more expensive. It may feel tough at the wallet, but buying low-quality parts can cause much more damage to expensive engine parts, which is going to cost you more than just buying the high-quality part in the first place.